Hey guys, Adam Leonard with Harken Yachts here to show you this Hunter 420 Passage. Just a quick tour. You see a brand new anchor here. All this decking is aftermarket and custom. Up top here we have a lifeboat, brand new, still in the box, never used. Full enclosure in the cockpit. Everything you see on this boat that hasn't been replaced with original equipment has been upgraded with custom equipment. These are custom aftermarket seats in the back here for fishing or enjoying the sunset. As you step aboard, you see the updated electronics. Again, the full enclosure is nice in the summertime and the wintertime. Keeps the sun off and helps keep some warmth in. All lines lead to the cockpit for single handing. As you go down below, you'll see all this custom bamboo flooring. New upholstery. Forward into the V-berth. You can see how spacious it is up there as well. I'm 6 feet tall. You can see I have plenty of headroom here in the main salon area. To starboard, you have your galley with full refrigerator, freezer, fully functional. Again, everything on this boat works. Back towards the aft master stateroom. You see your Onan gen set here and the diesel engine, both very clean, fully functional again like everything else. Master stateroom. There's dual zone climate controls in this boat, so the master stateroom and the rest of the boat each have their own climate controls. Televisions, everything you see comes with the boat. And again, I'm Adam Leonard with Harken Yachts. Feel free to give me a call if you'd like to come see the boat. Be happy to show it to you at your convenience. Have a great day. Take care.